Okay, let's do a few examples on multiple operations and fraction equations, and let's solve. Our first example is 7 over 8 plus 1 over 2 minus 2 over 3. The first thing I want to do is find the common denominator. That's the first thing to do. So the 3, 2, and 8, I want to find the common denominator between those three numbers. So I'm going to do that first. So 8 times 1 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 8 times 3 is 24. For 2, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 6 is 12, 2 times 7 is 14, 2 times 8 is 16, 2 times 9 is 18, 2 times 10 is 20, 2 times 11 is 22, and 2 times 12 is 24. 3 for 3 is 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times 6 is 18, and 3 times 7 is 21, and 3 times 8 is 24. So the common denominator between the three numbers is 24. So our new denominator would be 24. So 8 goes into 24 3 times, so 7 times 3 is 21. 2 goes into 24 12 times, so 12 times 1 is 12. 3 goes into 24 8 times, and 8 times 2 is 16. So remember the PEMDAS rule. Addition goes first before the subtraction. So we have 21 over 24 plus 12 over 24. And 21 plus 12 is 33. And we keep the denominator the same, so it's 33 over 24. So now we can forget about these fractions. So now we have 33 over 24, and we subtract 16 over 24. And 33 minus 16 is 17. And we keep the denominators the same, so our final answer to this would be 17 over 24. Okay, we're going to do another example. Let's say we have 8 and 3/4 divided by 2 and 5 over 8 plus 2 and 2 over 5. First, I want to convert all these mixed numbers to fractions. So 4 times 8 is 32, plus the 3 is 35, so we have 35 over 4 divided by 8 times 2 is 16, plus the 5 is 21, so we have 21 over 8. Okay, so this has to be flipped over, so the reciprocal, so 35 over 4 times 8 over 21. Now we multiply, but I want to simplify before I multiply to make things easier. So 4 goes into 4 1 times, and 4 goes into 8 2 times. 7 goes into 21 3 times, and 7 goes into 35 5 times. So now we have 5 times 2 over 1 times 3, which is going to give us 10 over 3. Now we have 10 over 3 plus, well, 5 times 2 is 12, plus the 2 is 12. So now we have 12 over 5. Now we got to find the common denominator between the 3 and the 5. So let's work that out. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, and 3 times 5 is 15. 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 3 is 15. So the common denominator between the two numbers is 15. So our new denominator is 15. 3 goes into 15 5 times. 10 times 5 is 50. 5 goes into 15 3 times. So 3 times 12 is 36. So 50 plus 36 is 86. So it's 86 over 15. Now we can't leave this as an improper fraction. We want to change this into a mixed number. So we're going to do 86 divided by 15 to make this into a mixed number. So we're going to divide. 15 goes into 86 5 times. 15 times 5 is 75, and 6 minus 5 is 1, and 8 minus 7 is 1. So we have a remainder of 11. So our denominator would be 15. 5 would be our whole number, and our numerator is going to be the remainder, so it's going to be 11. So this would be the answer in mixed number form. So this is the final answer to this. 5 and 11 over 15. This is the final answer. So let's now move on to a few exercise problems so we understand the concept of what are we doing here